To be a good coworker, you must strive to be someone that is likable. Okay, to be someone that's likable means you're going to be in a good mood, you're going to have a good attitude, you're not going to be grumpy. When somebody asks you a question, you're going to be able to answer them. There's a lot of things that go with being likable. Nobody likes to be around a grump, so don't be a grump. That's the number one thing. If you are likable, you're going to find some attributes that's going to be likable. To be likable, according to the dictionary on Google, the likable is to be pleasant, friendly, and easy to like. It's especially of a person that is pleasant, friendly, and easy to like. So think about that. You got to be pleasant, friendly, and easy to like. No one likes a grump. No one likes being around a grump. Matter of fact, when you're around somebody that's grumpy, you tend to want to clam up and not say anything. I find myself to be where I'm actually kind of closed off and I don't want to say anything, because if they're grumpy, if they're stressed and they got, my wife calls them snaggly. I mean, sometimes nasty, always grumpy. Don't be a snag. So that's one of the things you don't want to be. Don't be a snag. Be likable. Be pleasant. Let things kind of roll off your back. They call that saying, let it roll off your back. That's like a duck. If it rains, he doesn't think it's raining because it's just rolling off his back, and he's still singing out there in the rain. Yeah, so so be pleasant, be likable, be friendly. Okay, so that means you got to show an interest in somebody. That's one of the first things of being a good coworker. So I'm Brian McClure. I'm the Ford Technical Recruiting Liaison for the Oklahoma Ford dealers, and I help people get jobs as technicians in Ford dealerships. If you or somebody who wants a job or would like to talk to me about this and find out some more information, give me a call, 918-928-7433, or email me at fordoktptc@gmail.com. This is a good job. This is a good career to be in, pays well, it's got good job satisfaction, job security. You can do this. I did it. You can do it. You can make a good living at it. And this is no joke. It's a pretty good profession. Have a great day.